Hey everyone, it's Chris from the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now let's get a sneak peek at the 2020 Hot Wheels DK. So you can see we've got Manga Tuna from the Toon series. This is a new casting. We've got the 64 Chevy Impala from the Toon series. That's a carryover. We've got the Alpine A110 Cup in Hot Wheels Race Day. We've got the Aston Martin Vulcan in Factory Fresh with a recolor. We've got the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in the Speed Graphics with a recolor. We're also getting the Mazda REPU in the Speed Graphics series. Nice recolor on that. We've got that 2018 Ford Mustang GT in red, which is beautiful. We've got the Speed Driver in Experimotors, brand new casting for 2020. We're also going to see the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in the Honda series. That's a cool red base on that. And also the Porsche 918 SPYDER, which will be the Super Treasure Hunt in this case. Forward Force in the Trackstars series. We're also going to see Poison Arrow in the X-Races. Not going to really race too much with that aeroplane. And the 2016 Bugatti Chiron, which everyone will be waiting for, that recolor. Got that custom 01 Acura Integra GSR in the Speed Blur series. We're going to see CLOAK and DAGGER in the X-Races series. Really cool, that one. Now we'll also see Motor Wing in Rod Squad, and we're going to get 68 Dodge Dart in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. We're going to see a recolor of the Diora 3 in the Hot Wheels Metro series. And we will get Ratical Racer in the Street Beasts series. Pretty cool one is the Tankinator in the Hot Wheels Ride-On series. We're also going to see Surf and Turf in the Toon series with that recolor in yellow. But I think one of my favorites of this case is going to be the 92 Ford Mustang in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Really nice color on this one. We've also got Rip Rod in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage. And we're also going to see Nerve Hammer in Trackstars. So a whole heap of really cool cars we're going to see in the upcoming 2020 Hot Wheels DKs. So make sure you subscribe so when we get the DKs here in the Hot Wheels Garage, you're first to see us unbox it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.